if I show the code, right? If I show the code, whatever we have discussed in the previous class, right? First thing is we have to install React Router DOM. That is the first step, and then second step is we have to add the browser router. Now, what I did instead of adding to the entire app, what I did is we can add here also. That is, this is also possible. So what I did is I did imported browser router routes and route from the React router DOM. That's what I did. Okay. Then what I did, whatever I want, right? This is the routes and this is header component, right? So I have created three components: header, IPL, player, and cricket. These are the three different components which I have created. Okay, I have created this header component. If I go to header, so I have, as I told you, we always use the link, right, to linking the corresponding page. This is, it will go to, when I with slash, it will go to cricket page. When I open,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
now is it clear? Hello. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Some
sometimes
breaking, sir.
to other people, Ritesh, Chinmay.
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah, Omkar, maybe it is from your side, some network issue from your side. My voice is clear to other people.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if I see here, if I go to home page, right, cricket, see, right, we have slash, right? If I have slash, it will go to cricket page. Okay, now if I click on player, so if we see here slash player, right, slash player. Now if I go to slash player, just go to player page. Now next one is slash IPL. It will go to IPL page. Right? It will go to IPL page. This is how we are going to link. And even if we see our app.js file, what we have route, if I have only one forward slash, we are going to cricket component, and slash player, we are going to player component, and slash IPL, we are going to IPL component. Okay. So now if we go to here, we have plain, we have bootstrap. So now in this case, I have installed bootstrap. Previously we have installed Tailwind CSS. Right now we are going to use bootstrap. Okay, with the bootstrap we can directly use the bootstrap styles. All these styles are related to the bootstrap. Okay, any doubts in this? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions? Do you want this code?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me do one thing. Let me quickly share this code so that we can. So please create fresh application. Then create this this app. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to remember. So now in our index.js file, this file should be there. Okay, remember guys, I'm giving the file name also. Index.js file. This should be this code. Okay, this is index.js file. Next file is app.js file. So app.js file. Next file is app.js file. Now here we are going to add this code. Okay. Next one is we have to create a folder called components. Okay. Then we have something called as cricket. cricket.js file. Okay. And next one is we have header.js file. This header.js file. That this is one. This is called ipl.js file. ipl dot I ipl.js file. Next player.js file. Player.js file. Also, we have to replace our package.json file, and also we are able to replace our index.html file. Okay, with this, then only our application will work properly. Index.html file, you need to place this one, and this is the folder structure. If I take the full sleep, okay, this should be the folder structure. Folder. Okay, can we quickly create, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please do it. Just take 10 minutes, okay? Don't waste much time. We can go for next topic.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes, can we go for next topic? Is it done?
Not done, sir.
Not yet, sir.
Yeah.
Doing.
O-
Yeah,
One
do
minute,
it. Do it. I mean, if you're facing any problems, I can fix it so that this application will be available to you, right? So just check it out. So you need to follow this folder structure, okay? So it will work. Just once let me know.
Sir, do I have to run npm install now to install package.json on the package folder?
Yes. We have to do npm install. Correct.
But it's not. It's going errors, sir. Software.
Let's see other people. Guys, anyone able to get? Let me know. If not, I will just check one by one.
the coming error. Can't resolve bootstrap. That's type of error, sir.
Okay. Share your screen where please face issue. Chinmay or Nitesh. Let us see. header. Okay, now go to app.js file. Go to app.js file. Okay, do one thing, give me the control. Full sharing my right. Man, components, you have header player, okay.
No, sir. Here component are here
What?
you written components. My folder name is component.
Okay, but wait, player, where is IPL? You have only
IPL, sir.
player. Where is the IPL component? You have three
No,
components, right?
sir. You open component folder, sir. You are opening, sir, components. Yes, yeah. Down. Home, below down.
Wait. Let me see. This is component folder. No IPL. Okay, let me see. No, this is, you need to change this one. Should be component. Okay, that is fixed now. Now there is one more problem. Line number 4. We have fixed it, right? We have IPL header
Sir, why
player
written line number 4, sir?
IPL. It's fine, right? Component. Can't reserve formic. Okay, understand. Okay, so now npm install
Sir, NPN.
Okay, now do npm start. Guys, there is a power cut in my area. Okay, I know I have less battery, but I will try to manage. If it may disconnect, right? Uh, now current came fine. So now it should work. That's not my understanding. Still, there is a problem. Why there's so many problems? Still, I see one problem. That's what I always told guys. This is very, this is very tough because you are creating everything. No, just create new Java, new React. From tomorrow onwards, what you do, no, create a new React app before coming to class, so that okay, it's working now. so that now you don't get confused, right? Now, for example, if you want to run this application, okay, you are running right now, but what about the previous applications? How will you be able to get those applications, right? So there is problems, right? So remember, just create in different files, different folders. Okay, I mean one project itself. Okay, from tomorrow, please listen. What to do is before coming to class, you create like this. Okay, this is how to create the new application. You know, right? Go to terminal. What is the today's class? Today's date is 18th, right? Tomorrow is 19th. Okay, just create a folder. For example, in downloads folder. Okay, sorry, okay, I'll send you. I will do one thing. I'll go to so do like this. Okay, go to folders. Go to wherever you want to create the project, right? For example, documents. Okay, now if I go documents, just create a folder like this. Okay, tomorrow is 19th, right? 19th April. React. Okay, now create like this. Now what we will do simply tomorrow open folder, go to documents, 19th April. Yeah, now just have this folder. So now what will happen now tomorrow? Whatever we are going to discuss that class, those codes only will be present here, right? Now simply you can go to this one and say what you do first of all npm, okay, npx create react app my app. Spelling mistake. npx create react app my app. Okay, you create like this while coming tomorrow before coming to the class. So it will install, it will create the new React application. Okay, then what you will do simply, you can just do npm start, new application will come. So whatever I'm creating the files, you can just place it, right? That's why you have different folders for each day. At the end of the class, whichever day you want, you can just go and see the code side. If you have in only one folder, you will get so much of confusion. That's what you are going to learn. And you always learn that, right? Okay. From tomorrow to the student. Okay, guys. Okay, I think Chinmay is working. Who is facing issues now? Nitish.
Yes, sir, it's working, sir.
Okay, what about Omkar?
Sir, my area is light gone. Can I show sometime? After some
That
time?
is fine. No problem, man. That is fine, not an issue. Now what we do is we'll open next topic. Okay. Now open folder and go to pictures. File, new window. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Next one. Okay. Welcome is done. Welcome. Next. Okay. Now this one for what we did. Okay. This is for conditional run, right? Okay. Now what I'm doing is device. Create a new folder. Conditional rendering. Now app.js file. Okay. one, this one, this one, copy and paste it. Okay. Okay, guys, the next topic which I'm going to discuss is, so you remember, right? We have discussed about the use state, right? So similarly, we have something called as use effect. Okay, use state and use effect both are different concepts, but very important to understand. Okay, very important to understand both the things. Let me delete this one. It's not required. Now I will abort this file. This will be okay. Okay. Now, what is use state? Use effect. Sorry, use effect. Use effect is a function, or else we'll call it as a hook. Okay, hook function hook to run some code. To run some code when 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 first of when it will go. Okay, first one. Okay, when the component renders. So when the component is renders, okay, for the first time, remember, for the first time. So whenever we are using this use effect, okay, if you wanted to load only for the first time, when we load the page, if you wanted to load, then we are going to use the use effect. Second option, whenever the component re-renders, means when there is a change, right? When there is a change, when the component is reloading, then it will call. Okay, if some data is changed in our component, when there is a change in the component, when there is a when there is a data change in the component, then this will be loading. Okay, three things important. Use effect is when the component loads first time, you can use effect only once the data should load. Second option, when the component re-renders. So whenever the component is reloading, right, then we'll call use effect. If some data is changed in the component, then we'll use effect. These three steps are clear or not? Is this clear? Hello. These three points are clear for you guys.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when we start with use effect, so what I will do is I will use import. How we will do use state? Same thing. We will import use effect. Also, I will use state because I wanted to use use state also. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will create a function app. Same way we did multiple times. Okay, constant default export default app. Okay. Now what I will do? Now I will use. Okay. Now what I will do? I will use some JSX. What is my JSX is? Okay. I have a button. Okay. On click of the button. Okay. What I will do is I'm going to do something. Okay. I'm going to do something that I will let you know. Okay. I'm going to do something. Click wait. This is what I will tell you what I'm going to do. Okay. Now this is return statement. Okay. What I will do is first of all I have a I'm using the use state. So I have the constant. I have something called as value, comma set value. Okay, that is the first step. Now I'll start user state. User state 0. Initially, I'm setting the value as 0. That is the first step which I'm going to do. Now, what I will do is, okay, what I will use, uh, I will use now useEffect. Okay, useEffect. Now, what I will do, guys, this is very much important to understand. Now, what I will do is, I will use arrow function. Okay, here I will use console.log. Okay, console.log useEffect is called. Okay, now what I will do, I will use something called as document dot title. Okay, I will use backtick increment increment. So what I will do, I will increment the value. Okay, dollar. I will use something called as value. So I'm incrementing the value. This is what I'm going to do. Okay. Now here what I will do simply, I will set the value. Okay. I will set the value. How I will set the value? Now I will use like this. Okay. As a function, set value, which we have here, set value. So what I will do is directly I'm incrementing the value. Value plus 1. This is what I will do. Now I will use h2. Okay, h2 value. Okay, this is showing an error because we forgot the one only. We should have one parent. That's the reason it's giving error. Okay. Now if I do npm start, okay, cd my app npm start. You see, component re-rendered for the first time. What is using? This is running on one more different port. So I'm running with a different port. So I'm running with the 3001 because already in other port number, other application is working, right? I use 3001. Okay, now if I go and inspect, to see console, okay, I'm just the observe here, guys, in the console. I refresh. See, useEffect is called. That means whenever we are loading the component for the first time, useEffect will be going to call. Okay. Now, if I remove this one, then this won't be calling at the first time. Okay. So whenever component is loading, then what we are going to do is, I mean, if you wanted to load the data at the first step, for example, if you want to load the customer data, right? Now, if I go to any application, right, what Amazon and all, first time only they need to call the backend API call, right? That backend API call. Then only they are going to use at the first time only it should load. Okay. Now, if we go and see, when I click on this, right, if I refresh, when I click on this, useEffect is called, right? Now, when I click this one, right, set value is not a function. Set value is not a function. Now, this should work. Set value.
Mm,
Okay, understand this. That is my bad. Okay. Instead of we have to use these brackets. Okay, that is the problem. I have okay. Now this. Now if I go and see. Okay, now if I see one more time, if I refresh, first time it is called, right? Use effect is called. And when I click me, you see, right? Use effect is called. Use effect is called. See, you are seeing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means the value is changing and the use effect is called. If you see the second step, whenever the component redundants or whenever the data is changed in our component, this will always execute. Means whenever we load it, use effect is called. Whenever we do any modifications in the code, use effect is called. Okay. So, for example, when our user is clicking this kind of data and all, right? Every time user, so when there is an interaction with our website, with anything, right? Inside the use effect, that will be called all the time. Is this clear? Any doubts? Guys, is this clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Sir, sir, it is
Yes.
looping.
It is not looping, it is incrementing the value. It is incrementing the value. Only the thing is, whenever there is a change in the value, use effect will be called. That's it. So whenever the initial load, use effect is called. Whenever there is a change in the data, the time also use effect is called.
Okay, sir.
Okay, clear? Is this clear? Guys, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'm
Sir,
If we
sir,
sir,
can we practice?
decrement, sir, if we decrement, how to decrement, sir?
Value minus 1.
Value
That's it.
minus 1. Okay.
I'm sharing this code directly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the Slack, please directly copy paste and see whether you are able to get the output. Very important concept, guys. Very important concept for your interview purpose. I have shared the code. Please check it out and let me know if it is working.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes. Tell me. Yes, Omkar. Tell me.
sir,
What happened?
my device is disconnected. Because of that,
Yeah, I'm here only. We are here. Don't worry. Yes.
okay, sir. Okay.
Guys, if it is done, let me know. Then open it. Okay. Okay, I see it done from Nitesh. Good. Okay, this is one example. Okay. Now, guys, we need to understand different things of use effect. Next one is okay. Now, what I will do? Okay. Now I will add one small condition here. Okay, I will add one small condition here. What condition means? If value is greater than 0, okay, value is greater than 0, then do this operation. Now, if I go and refresh the page, what happened? Use effect is called. Now, use effect is called. Now, what I will do is, if the value is greater than 10, let's see what will happen. Use effect is called. Use effect is called. So what I'm telling use effect is called use effect is okay. So what I'm doing here, if I do 1, it's working, 2, 3, 4, 5. Value is greater than 10. Okay. Then what I will do is okay. Guys, you see this one, okay? There is some
Sir.
problem. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, we can also do less than, sir.
Yeah, whatever you want, you can do it, not a problem.
Okay, sir.
Now, guys, you do right. You see here. So, you see what I'm doing here. When I click 10, okay, when I click 10, then only use effect is called, right? So, we can add the conditions also. We can add this kind of conditions also, okay, in order to, at this condition only execute this use effect, okay? This kind of things also we can do using use effect. That's the next example.
Sir, we can, it is method used like we can purchase 10 pencil up in that we can get 50% discount like that method, no sir?
Yeah, yes, yes. So the thing is, for example, you wanted to, there is a drop down where the maximum limit is 5. If you are going to increase the more value rate, then it will throw the error. Okay, you should not add more than five items in the cart. Okay, those kind of conditions and all you can do it here.
Okay, okay.
Okay, guys. Next topic we have also called as dependency. Dependency list. What is this meaning? Okay. Now what I will do is I will remove from here. I'll put as this. Okay. Now I will pass a dependency here called value. Okay. Value. What is this meaning? Okay, I'll just show you. What is this meaning. Okay. Now I have refreshed. Okay. Remember, I have refreshed. Use effect is called, right? Now when I click, you see, right? You see the difference? Okay, I will just refresh. okay, now if I click use effect, okay, so it is called only at the initial time. So you see, right, we're not seeing any use effect, any extra use effect, right? So when we pass this kind of dependency, okay, it will call only once. It will call only once. Okay, this is called dependency. Okay, when we wanted to make sure that call only once, we have to use this example. Okay, next. Now, if you wanted to call any backend API, you wanted to call any backend API. For example, we have something called as JSON placeholder dot typico.com slash post. Let's see cloud data. Let me try in other browser. What I have entered there. URL is over. Now what I will do is sticky JSON placeholder. Okay, we have post. Okay, now this is some JSON placeholder API. Okay, we have some data here, right? Now I wanted to get this data. I wanted to call this data. Okay, using React. Okay. Also in this cases also we can use how we can use. Now what I will do is I will just change that name. Okay, data set data set data. So initially I will use as an empty array. Okay, now I will use okay, now I will just remove this code. There is no more this code we are going to use. Okay, now I will just delete all this all this code. Now I will use effect. Okay, now what I will do, I told you about async and await. Did you guys remember? Whenever we are calling any backend API, we have to use async and await. So I will use async function get the data. Okay, it's the function which I'm going to use. Get data in the function. Now what I will use constant. In the response, what I will do is the response have the data. Okay, what I will use await fetch. So I'm using the fetch. So basically, when we are calling any backend API in React, we always use the fetch. So what I want to fetch this post. Okay, I will do like this. Use the quotations. Okay, this is what I will do. Second step. Now what I will do is here I will use constant data. Okay. Now I'll use await response dot JSON. Okay, response dot JSON. So whatever response I am getting response in a JSON format. Now I will do one condition if data and data dot length length Okay, we have the data and the length. Okay, if it's greater than 0, then what I will do is I will set the data to data. So if I have the data and data is length, okay, then I will set the data. Then finally I will call the get data method. I'll call the get data method. Like this. Okay. Now what I will do here, I'll pass the dependency. Okay. I'll pass this one only one time. If I set like this, remember guys, if I set like this, okay, if I set like this, I will call only one time. It will call only one time. Otherwise, it will call repeatedly. It will call repeatedly. You know what I will do? I will use unordered list. Okay. Then I will use data dot map. I told you about the map, right? So we are going to look the data item. You know what I will do is I will use link. Like key math dot random. So I'm getting the random value. I'll get the random value. Okay. I will use item dot title because the title is present there. Okay. If I execute now, okay, get data is defined but not never used. Okay. So what I'm okay, I'm doing okay, I'm calling it inside. I should call it outside. I should call it outside. Then only it should work. You see, right? Now if I go and see that other URL, okay, I'm going to use this URL. Then if I use this one, you see, right? This title, right? Title, body, I mean whatever you want, right? Title, all the title, QISTSC, some different language, right? All this data I'm going to get here, right? It is like backend. Now if I see, now you see, right? What I'm doing, simply I'm using the use effect. Okay. This is the simple concept. If you remember this code, whenever anyone if they ask, okay, to call the backend API, okay, simply you can use this code and whatever they are using this URL, right? This URL you can just replace the URL. Okay, clear. Is
Yes.
this clear? What about it?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Clear.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, when we use it,
Whenever whenever we are calling any API, backend API, right? For example, now we have some take any example, Flipkart. Okay, when I load the Flipkart page, we are able to see all this data, right? This is text, this is the title, this is the ID, and this is the description, right? Whenever you want to
yes,
do
sir.
like this kind of websites, we are always use the use effect. We always use the use effect. One second.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you quickly note on this one because this is very important. If I copy and paste it, you won't understand. Just try to do this one and do your output should be like the output should be like okay. Please do it. Then we can go to
Yes,
next one.
sir.
Yes, once and let me know. Yes, very important example.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to do or can I share the code?
No, we are doing, sir.
Okay, do it.
Sir, need URL.
Sorry,
Need
the URL.
URL, sir.
This is the URL.
Okay.
This is the URL. Yeah, as it is, you need to put it. Guys, done. Is it working? You need any help?
1 minute,
Tell
sir.
us.
Last.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Nitesh, Shilpai, are you guys doing? Or do you have any questions? It's working. You
Done,
how to
sir.
see the cat?
Yeah, done.
Working, working, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Chinmay Omkar.
Doing, sir. Last.
Is it done? Okay, let me share this code. Because okay, just okay, Omkar, any question? Is it working?
No, sir, some code remain last.
Okay, do it, do it. No problem. Yes, when you type, then only we can able to understand.
Sir, some problem. Sir,
Okay, fine. Now, okay. Just what you do is don't directly copy this one. Okay. You
yes,
have
sir.
to check it out. What is the mistake you did? Okay. Then you will be able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, guys. We can continue tomorrow. Okay. I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
I'm planning to take on this Saturday. I will let you know tomorrow. If I'm free, I will take on Saturday for 2 hours. Okay.
What, sir?
Okay, sir.
In weekends, Saturday or Sunday, I will take 2 hours class if I am free. Okay. I will just confirm tomorrow.
Saturday, Sunday, sir.
Saturday or Sunday. I will let you know which day.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Sorry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.